So what are you about to do, Casey?
We've been hunting for these sailors for 5 days. Now they're up in this crack here underneath this bridge. I'm about to poke them with this stick, see if I can't get one to fly out.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh dude, I got one.
You're getting pissing the fuck off.
Is that shit falling out? One right there, dude.
The fuck is that?
Fucking bat, dude.
No!
Oh my god, there's one right there.
Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh shit! No! Oh shit!
Oh my god, they're all coming out, dude!
Oh fuck! Oh shit! Dude, the video recorded the whole fucking time.
Dude almost fucking smacked me in the head.
Oh shit!
The bat! It was like... Well, that was exhilarating.
Let's come back on.
Stop in next week for another adventure underneath the Chalkington Bridge.